Go the wild, wild, wild Kratts!
Brilliant flock of feathers!
Martin and Chris are playing with the birdies.
What? In their pesky power suits? I'm glad I paid Zach to make me a deactivator device. You never know when you'll need one. Davio, get ready to activate the deactivator.
Yes, Donita.
This better work, or Zach is in big trouble. Lock on to the creature power suits. Fire deactivator pulse.
Yes, Donita.
What? Oh! Deactivated! Whoa! Whoa! How'd we get deactivated and mini-sized? Don't know. Don't really care. What? Why? Because it's fun riding parrots! Woohoo! Yeah, true. It's a great way to see the rainforest. Hey, Aviva.
Yeah?
For some reason, our creature power suit's deactivated, and we're mini-sized.
What? Okay, I'll check it out just as soon as I finish programming these Parrot power discs, which is happening right now. Okay, Jimmy, Parrot power disc is complete.
Hold it, Aviva. These need to be miniaturized.
Oh yeah, Chris said they were mini-sized. 2 tiny discs. Jimmy, coming at ya.
Energize. And zap 'em.
Yes! Got it! Oops, a little behind. Whew! Insert Parrot power discs. Touch Parrot. Activate Parrot powers. Flying free and in the wild. Yeah, with Parrot power!